Welcome back. It's Dr. Monte with Geeked Rehab. I'm going to show you another tape job that I often use that's pretty popular and effective. Another way to help reduce patellar tendonitis. All right. And basically it's for the inferior pole or the lower part of the kneecap to help give it a lift. And it makes people happy. And you'll see why at the end. So I pre-cut a piece of tape, not very long, okay? And you take it and you want to put this on in a, also in a bent position. And oftentimes I'll outline the kneecap so I can get an idea where I'm, make sure I cover this, get my targets. And we're looking at the bottom of the kneecap, right there. Already it looks a little happy. We got a couple of eyes, a happy face. Okay, so I try not to touch the tape. All right, get the ends, and I do a little bit of tape. See, that's the inferior part of the patella. I try to get just a little bit above it, and I give an upward force so it lifts. Okay. And you can go anywhere between about 25 to 50% tension. And at the ends, there's no tension, okay? And you see, it's a happy face. They're happy. Less pain, takes away the tendonitis, lifts that inferior pole of the patella. And that really helps with a lot of the pain control.